If you help me and I help you, think of all the things that we could do if we all joined hands across Australia. There's so much hope in this big land, in every woman, child, and man, when we all join hands across Australia. For generations and generations, we believe that this great nation is the finest place the world has ever seen.
Tomorrow is a brighter day, gonna come together to make a change, and we all join hands across Australia.
Oh, if you help me, I help you. Think of all things that we could do.
If we all join hands across Australia.
Let's all join hands when there's so much hope in this big land, when every woman, child, and man, when we all join hands across Australia.
To all my sisters and brothers in different places and in different colours, moving through your next stride, stand proud and show your pride. If we all join hands across Australia, there's so much hope for this land, could you imagine?
Generation